Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
So we said that every 15 days, Levinson, since this is now, we have said that solid waste management is going to be the nodal agency. So Levinson will visit every 15 days. So today we said we will visit here, and again on 25th, again he will visit. And then whatever, see the progress of last 15 days, what has been decided, has been implemented or not, if there are any hurdles, and plan for next 15 days. त्याशिवाय ते धावपाचें ना. सो सोमाराच्यान 2 मशिनां इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीक बेलिंगाचें काम चालू करतले. हांगा 2 आशिल्लीं ती आज काल तांणी 3 केल्या आनी आज 4थें मशीन ते सकयल घालतात. सो 4 मशिनां हांगा जातलीं बेलिंगाची. विथ दॅट ड्राय वेस्टाचो प्रॉब्लेम खूबसो रिजॉल्व जातलो. ताणें ही हॅज ऑल्सो एक्सप्रेस हीज डीस एज फार एज ड्राय वेस्ट इज कन्सर्न, इट इज कमिंग अंडर कंट्रोल.
Time being, after this shed will be repaired, and some concessionaire will be put here to manage the waste, day-to-day waste. For that, these things are required to repair, basic machinery. I think there's the second part is the legacy waste. Legacy waste by February we are trying to complete the entire thing. Some issue is there because of the RDF, which has to move fast. So once RDF if is not moving, then we are not getting enough space to put more machinery there. So however, because now is the fair season, so we have to before monsoon. But before February, we are aiming to complete the entire remediation.